What's going on, y'all? Dirt Junkie here. So today, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been wanting to make a video where I try jumping the biggest log I have, which isn't, I mean, it's not huge. It's like 24-inch diameter, a little under mid-thigh on the smaller side. But so I'd like to see if I can jump this thing on my dad's XR200. This is actually my first bike, and it's just been sitting for a while. He doesn't ride it, so we're probably gonna have a rough time starting it in the first place. You know, when I get desperate, I just drain gas out of it for lawnmowers and shit. So that's pretty much what it's used for now. But I'm gonna see if I can get that beast to fire up and give this log a try. It's gonna have shit throttle response, even if it was running perfect. Those things just need a pumper carburetor. So let's see if we can pull this beast out. Alright. There it is, stuffed in the corner. Move some shit out of the way. Dog shit right there. Let's try not to hit that. Alright, let's see. Choke it. Is the gas on? Yep. It's got gas in it. The gas that's in the carb is probably bad. Let's check the oil. Okay. Doesn't look like there's any oil in it, but it's a Honda. You don't fucking need oil. Alright, let's just go ahead and see if we can crank it. Put the dipstick back in there. Watch out for the dog shit. Give it a go. Jesus, why is that so low? Whoops. She wants to run. Old faithful old Honda. There she goes. Yeah. Wow. That went a lot better than I expected. And she's a cold nature, so I'm gonna have to sit here probably 20 minutes revving this thing out to keep running. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty much a normal startup routine there. Tell you what, fuck this. Warm it up. I'm just gonna turn the idle up. No. Son of a bitch. And then there's a point where it gets like warm enough to run on like half choke almost, but it won't run at all on full choke anymore. So you really know how to feather this fucking piece of shit. All right, just back and forth, full choke. Full choke's working. No, it's not. Turn the idle up some more. Alright. It's not gonna run. It's not gonna keep running. But we'll get it. We'll get it. Alright, got the side camera set up. So the goal is gonna be to double blip that log. Try to land flat on the other side. Try not to go over the handlebars. So I got no brakes, and the throttle response is terrible. So even if I can get this thing warmed up enough to idle, I'm really gonna have to work it. Your clutch is really grabby too, so I'm gonna have to keep the revs up on approach. So, shit, see, turn the idle down. It's not gonna hold on idle. Let's see what we can do. Let's turn the choke off. Yeah. shit. God damn. Ow! Thank God for knee guards. So, that's probably as good as we're gonna get it. Let's see if we can... Full throttle. Oh God, I have no brakes, that's right. Engine brake it. Engine brake. Hey, that's a pretty good turning radius though. Or turning steering angle. That's better. Oh yeah, balancing this puppy like a trials bike. Yes sir. Uh-oh. Almost lost it. Fuck, this is actually kind of scary. Because I just don't think this thing is gonna respond very well. Let's see if we can do a wheelie. So that's like the first step, right? Oh fuck. Dude, not cool. They can wheelie. It just, I don't know if it's me or is the clutch actually slipping, or maybe if it had oil in it. Alright, let's first try to see if we can roll over this group of logs. Alright, it does that. Okay, okay, that builds some confidence. This is fucking sketch, dude. Oh, I got lift though. I got lift off the ground on this this pig. The trick is, since this thing has no throttle response, like check it out. This is the throttle response, and it's gonna die. So that's a extreme lean bug, and it has a very slow wind up. That's pretty freaking slow. So the trick is to have enough revs to launch the bike before impact. So I'm gonna go into it, sleeping the clutch, try to build more revs than I did the last time, because this thing just will not rev fast enough to get that hit and to get that launch. Oh, I need more revs. I need more pop, more clutch pop, and more launch. But that was close, kinda. Oh, it just doesn't have the power. Oh fuck, we gotta get it. We gotta get it. Look where you want to hit on the target. Woo! Oh yeah, I did it. I had to dab a foot, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Bunch of revs. Drop that clutch. A little sketchy because it's, I could probably overdo it, and I got no brakes whatsoever. I have a tiny bit of front brake, maybe. See, that's full. This is what I got. I got no rear brake at all. Full grab of the front brake right there, and that's with engine braking too. So that was it. I'm just gonna go with that before I hurt myself. Hold on, let me do one more over the log pile. Oh, fuck. Oh, the throttle response is non-existent. I let off the throttle before hitting the logs, and I was like, oh fuck. Alright, let's do it again. That was BS. Alright. Alright, that's better. That's better. Alright, let's wrap it up. So, whenever I get the shock in for that thing, I'm going to put it together. Can't wait to do some practice on it. I'm going to take it to Tennessee pretty soon and go to the Trials Training Center, get some pointers, get some pro tips, and I'll definitely report how that goes and maybe get a little filming in if I can. But And I might do a video like cleaning the carburetor too. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Okay, just a quick walk around of the old 95, I think it is, XR200. Got the super plush seat, the tank cover, DG exhaust. Nice. Got the Pro Link suspension. And what else? We got hub front and rear brakes, which don't work. And we got nice sheet metal patch job with fucking self-tapping screws and RTV. It seals pretty well. The back tire knocked a big hole in the exhaust when the exhaust got pushed over. So got the rust colored chain. Love that. I used to run the gold chain on it, but I prefer the rust color. So that's it, and the stickers, of course. Like, that's the only reason I was able to do anything with this bike is the stickers. Each of those add, you know, close to horsepower. So that's it. What is this? What the fuck? This thing was registered. This thing was in Arizona? Holy shit, I didn't know that. Oregon? Whoa. Huh. This thing was like, well, no, it wasn't street legal. Probably not. Like, maybe they require registration for trail use over there. But I think they do. So that's it.